This video is for you if you are starting off with your fat loss journey or you're stuck in your fat loss journey. Let's say you started, you lost some weight, but now you've hit a wall. You're irritated, you're frustrated, and you don't know what to do. Well, I'm Sid.
And I'm Veera.
Welcome to the Balanced Path. Today we have a 5-step process of how to set up your fat loss
Journey.
The thing is, we get so many questions. How can we do it? And we try to help as many people as possible, but then, sometimes it gets difficult to reply to everybody. So we thought we'll just make a dedicated video and you can see this. And by the way, I hope you have a notepad or something to write on and a pen, because you probably have to write down what you need to do in order to set this up. Okay, so let's get serious. Not very serious, but let's start. Okay, point number 1. I think this is something that a lot of people struggle with. Before getting into kya khana hai, kitna khana hai, it's like, let's define what your meal timings are.
Or like also how many meals to eat.
How many meals to eat, okay? So for example, we'll also set up my diet just to make, kind of...
We can
this
compare
more-
both our diets.
We can compare both our diets, but let's say I am setting up my diet. I'm stuck. I can't lose any more fat, and I really like, I'm struggling. And let's do this like that. Okay. So I'm a person who wakes up at, say, 6 a.m. Okay. What time do you wake up?
6 a.m.
No, liar. She wakes up 15 minutes after me.
Before
So-
you.
No, Veera.
My alarm is for 5:50. I
Yes.
wake up. On running days, I wake up before you. And on non-running days, I wake up after you.
But you snooze and you lie down again. And you wait
I
for
don't
me
snooze.
कि मेरा अलार्म बजेगा फिर मैं तुझे उठाऊंगा.
नहीं फिर मैं so that I wake up that time. Don't lie. Don't exaggerate on camera.
कोई बात
5:50
नहीं.
alarm.
मैं proof
Your
लेके आऊंगा
alarm
भाई.
is at
Proof लेके आऊंगा मैं. कोई
your
बात.
alarm is at 6:15, and at 6:15, I'm just like, as so I know that for running we can't be late. So I'm just like, chalo, niklo, and for
Otherwise.
otherwise we just have to come like till here only.
Acha. So how many meals? Okay. So now, first of all, let's say I wake up at 6. So there's a possibility that I can have my breakfast early, a regular lunch, and a dinner. 3 meal मेरे हिसाब से minimum रखो शुरू में, and then maybe after some time if you want to go for 4, 5 or even come down to 2 is something that do not complicate this. Breakfast, lunch, dinner और बीच में एक snack रखते हैं. ठीक है. Now why I say this is because there are some people who wake up at 10 o'clock. Now if we tell them to eat a meal at 8, we are already setting them up for disaster, right? सबसे पहले तो अगर
Failure,
मैं 10 बजे उठूंगा
हाँ.
और लेट्स से आई कम टू यू फॉर अ मील प्लान, लाइक 8 बजे खाना, तो सबसे पहले तो वही एक बड़ा ऑब्स्टिकल हो गया. सबसे बड़ा ऑब्स्टिकल है कि मैं आया हूँ कि मेरी डाइट सेट करो.
और आप बोल रहे हो कि 8 बजे उठ के खाओ.
Don't do that, okay? So however you wake up, for now, make sure maybe in the next 2 hours you're getting in your breakfast. ठीक है. Lunch can be regular at 1, 1:30, 2, doesn't matter. And then in the evening, try to eat your dinner at least 2 hours before
You sleep.
you sleep. Okay, so let's say we have now figured out breakfast, lunch, dinner, और एक snack रखते हैं लंच और डिनर के बीच में. ठीक है. सिंपल. अभी क्या खाना है क्या नहीं खाना वहाँ हम गए ही नहीं. सिर्फ एक शेड्यूल सेट करो. यू ऑलरेडी प्रॉब्ली ईट, घर पे खाना बनता है. इफ़ यू लिव आउटसाइड ऑफ योर हाउस यू स्टिल डू समथिंग फॉर योर मील्स. सो जस्ट विदाउट थिंकिंग ऑफ कितना खा रहे हैं क्या खा रहे हैं, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. So 3 meals and 1 snack. Okay. I think once we kind of have a designated time to eat,
Right.
like for us, lunch is 2 o'clock.
Breakfast is 10 o'clock.
Breakfast 10 o'clock, lunch is 2 o'clock, dinner is at 8. पता है कि इतने बजे ये खाना है, and it's just like wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you know that कि अच्छा मील टाइम आ रहा है, सो वाइंड थिंग्स अप एंड गो, रादर देन बी लाइक कि जब मैं फ्री हो जाऊंगा या जाऊंगी
Right.
तो खा लेंगे.
Right.
कभी भी नहीं कुछ होगा. यू विल प्रॉब्ली नोज डाइव एंड क्रैश एंड इट वॉन्ट बी अ नाइस एक्सपीरियंस. सो मील टाइमिंग्स. ठीक है जी. ये मील टाइमिंग्स हमारे सेट हो गए. लिखी जाओ साथ साथ में प्लीज़. ओके. अब नंबर 2, हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर, स्नैक इज डन. अब इन मील्स में क्या करना है, यू हैव टू प्रायोरिटाइज प्रोटीन.
Okay.
ठीक है. Like, if you want to give me protein, how much would you give me? Like, how would you give me? You can ask me questions and I'll
How would what is the minimum amount of protein that one should intake?
answer. So ideally, you should have 1 gram of protein per kg. Okay.
Your body weight.
Body weight. So if I am, let's say right now I weigh 73 kgs, तो 73 minimum खाने की कोशिश करो, which is again it is easily possible. कोई मुश्किल नहीं है, मतलब डबल बॉडी वेट खाना है ये वो. अगेन डू नॉट, वी आर हियर टू सिंप्लीफाई थिंग्स. 1 gram per kg of body weight, have your protein. That's it.
Perfect.
ठीक है जी.
I would like to add a little bit to this. Is why do we keep constantly saying, so a lot of people say prioritize protein, but इसका कोई बताता नहीं कि क्यों. So with my personal experience, what I understand is, I mean, of course, initially you don't know this and you just do it because you've heard this, you've read this, you don't know whether it works, whether it's not work. But after a while, you get in tune with your body and you understand that when you eat protein or you prioritize protein every meal, your energy levels are maintained and you feel fuller and you don't feel constantly hungry. So which means that suppose you eat something like
non-protein bhelpuri
or dal chawal or just fruit for your morning breakfast, after a while you will start feeling hungry, like bhook lagegi. You will just constantly keep thinking about food. So by introducing, I think, protein in all your meals, you're not constantly thinking about food, because what happens a lot is when people, especially when you're at work, you're constantly thinking कि अभी हम वो खाएंगे, क्योंकि आपका पेट नहीं भरा है. जब आप constantly fetching for happiness or deriving happiness through food, or you're constantly craving things, and you are obviously depriving yourself, and that's why you're craving these things. It happens because आपको भूख लग रही है, genuinely आपकी body कुछ मांग रही है, and when your body is asking for something, it is obviously going to think about eating something nice like bhel puri or golgappe or tikkis or paranthas or pizza, and it's not going to think about eating vegetables like broccoli, right? So I think that is why
I'm sure there are weird people who actually crave broccoli. हो सकता है कोई?
मतलब maybe like
I know one person who craves broccoli.
Who? Not me.
Jassa.
No, he doesn't crave. No, please.
He can. You put 1 kg of kachi broccoli, he'll eat it without namak, kuch bhi nahi, and like crunch.
But yeah, like I think there are not a lot of people like Jassa. So I think
you
most
crave things that give you like.
You're usually craving food because you're hungry. Simple. Like, so if you introduce prioritized protein in all your meals and think about introducing protein in all your meals, you will feel fuller and you'll be eating the same amount of calories probably that you're getting from a non-protein meal, and also it will obviously help you stay leaner and it'll keep you fuller and you'll look good.
Wow. So prioritize protein, ठीक है. अभी भी अगर कॉपी पेंसिल नहीं निकाली है तो निकाल लो, बिकॉज लेट्स से लिखो साथ में, लेट्स से आई वे 73 kgs, आई वांट 73 grams of protein, let's say 70. Now how do you divide this? 20 grams for breakfast, 20 grams for lunch, 20 grams for dinner, and then 10 grams for your snack. Simple. 70 grams हो गया, easy. Now let's give them a sample meal plan. ठीक है, veg and non-veg. Okay, for my breakfast, if I'm non-vegetarian, I'll have 3 eggs. That's about 18 to 20 grams of protein sorted. उसके साथ अभी क्या खाना है क्या नहीं खाना, पहले 3 अंडे खा लो, फिर you will all, like Veera said, you'll feel fuller, so you won't have to go in for, eating something which is abundantly rich in calories.
Like you'll not eat like 5 toasts.
Yeah.
And you'll not end up eating 5 toasts and jam and cereal, because those 3 eggs will be very filling.
Exactly. So we just want to clarify here that we are not demonizing any food. You can eat whatever you want, but let's stick to what we're doing. पहले क्या करेंगे, प्रोटीन खाएंगे, ठीक है. सो ब्रेकफास्ट में फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई वाज नॉन वेजिटेरियन, आई वुड ईट 3 eggs and yeah, that's protein right there. If I'm vegetarian, protein oats. Take some oats, put a scoop of protein in it, you're sorted. ठीक है जी, ब्रेकफास्ट सॉर्ट हो गया.
बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं जो एलर्जिक होते हैं प्रोटीन से, तो प्लांट प्रोटीन खा सकते हैं, which doesn't really taste the best, but then there are some really nice brands I've heard about, so you can try those out. And also Epigamia. epigamia, like dahi.
Dahi
Greek
bhi.
yogurt is a good substitute for
protein.
protein for people who hate protein or hate whey.
ठीक है जी. लंच आ गया जी. लंच में अगर मैं नॉन वेजिटेरियन में खाऊंगा से 100 grams ऑफ चिकन, दैट्स 30 grams. कम भी खा सकते हो. इफ़ आई एम वेजिटेरियन आई विल हैव अगेन either some rajma, some dal, some any kind of pulse, any kind of legume, or soy is a great option like tofu, or even soy nuggets. And there are so many ways you can make soya nuggets. You can like make a sabji out of them, you can make a tikki out of them, you know, just go out there and be creative. ठीक है जी. ये आ गया मेरा दोपहर का प्रोटीन, वेजिटेरियंस के लिए भी नॉन वेजिटेरियंस के लिए भी. डिनर में सिमिलर टू लंच, ठीक है, या दाल या राजमा इफ़ यू आर अ वेजिटेरियन, या न्यूट्री या टोफू. एंड इफ़ यू आर नॉन वेजिटेरियन, योर चिकन, और यू कैन इवन हैव एग्स हेयर एज वेल. ठीक है जी. हम आ गया हमारा स्नैक, लाइक वीरा सेड, एपिगामिया का एक वो जो छोटा प्लेन योगर्ट होता है दैट हैज़ ऑलमोस्ट 8 grams ऑफ प्रोटीन. सो यू हैव 2 of those विद सम फ्रूट. प्रोटीन सॉर्ट हो गया जी हमारा. ठीक है. सो पहला हमारा जस्ट अ रिकैप. फर्स्ट वाज मील. कौन से ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर, स्नैक खाया हमने. फिर हमने सारे मील्स में प्रोटीन को प्रायोरिटाइज कर दिया. ठीक है. स्टार्ट विद दिस, लाइक व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज, पहले मील टाइमिंग को 3-4 दिन लगाओ, फिर नेक्स्ट 3-4 दिन में बस प्रोटीन प्रायोरिटाइज करो. छोटे छोटे गोल्स, लो हैंगिंग फ्रूट, एंड यू कीप ऑन मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. ठीक है जी. सॉर्टेड. अच्छा जी. अब ऐसा है कि 2 हफ्ते हो गए हैं. ठीक है. मील टाइमिंग सेट है,
प्रोटीन भी खा रहे हो,
भूख नहीं लग रही, तो क्रेविंग्स नहीं हो रही. ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट इज एक्चुअली कैलकुलेटिंग कैलोरीज. नाउ डू यू नेसेसरली हैव टू काउंट कैलोरीज टू लूज फैट? नो. डू वी रेकमेंड counting calories to lose weight?
Yes.
Right? Because we have done stuff where we are not counting calories and eyeballing stuff, and believe me, we've looked very different to when we were actually calculating and, you know, understanding कि हम कितना खा रहे हैं. For example, let's say you're a salaried person going for a 9 to 5 job. When your salary comes into your account, you'll obviously open your account and see कि okay, X amount आ गया है. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना कि यार अंदाज़ा है कि हाँ कोई बात नहीं आ गई, तो आपका बॉस भी कह रहा है कोई बात नहीं मैं अंदाजे से दे दूंगा. There is like even when the salary comes in or when you're investing, you're so thoughtful of कि कितने पैसे आए, कितने जा रहे हैं, budgeting हो रही है. So it's the same thing. If you have a general idea, then you'll always be like वो general fitness और वो general fat loss होगा. You will never be able to kind of do a sustainable fat loss phase, right? Veera, when was the last time you did not count calories?
I think last year only. I think I started counting calories last August, maybe.
Okay. And before that, you were not counting calories?
No, I was.
And then
I was not I was counting calories, but I was just like अंदाज़ा. Like I was just like, okay, like this is
इसमें इतना होता है,
इसमें इतना होता है, basically rough idea, like because we've done it for so many years, like you know your अंदाज़ा, but वो मतलब I am saying that I know my अंदाज़ा, but वो अंदाज़ा भी मतलब ऊपर नीचे था. It was not very accurate. And then when you actually start tracking, then you're like, अरे there's such a difference, you know. Sometimes initially there was a problem with me. This is many years back, that when I used to do andaza, I used to undereat a lot. So then because of eyeballing, so I used to never I used to constantly be like weighing lesser than I should be weighing. Right. And then when with that intention, I started eating more. So now that recently I'm talking about, उस वक्त क्या होता था कि because I was so used to eating less, I was always eating more कि ज़्यादा खाती हूँ. तो वो ज़्यादा खाने में, even if like you're eating 200 calories or 300 calories extra every day, that's like 2100 calories in a week, and then you can multiply that by a month. So then you're eating that much extra. And I'm not saying there is anything wrong in eating extra, but when you have a certain goal, whether you want to look a certain way or you need to be lighter for maybe running more efficiently.
Right now we're talking about fat loss. That is the goal.
We're talking about fat loss. So obviously वो नहीं हो रहा था because workout was great, but how much can you push in a workout, right? Like obviously I did not have like 3 hours in a day to put into a workout, and I didn't want to work so hard. Like, why? I didn't want to put all my energy in just working out. Like, I wanted to just be in and out of the gym. I wanted to just do like extra maybe 10 minutes of cardio and nothing more than that. Like, I didn't want to spend more than 70 minutes in the gym. That I was very clear about that. So and then I was just like, I'm on a nutrition plan and it's not really working. So what is happening? And yeah, obviously I was just like andaza, and then weight was also andaza. It was just like not, yeah.
The results were also andaza.
Yeah, results were also andaza. Like, they were just not time bound. They were just taking too long, and then obviously that would disappoint me, and then I would question myself whether I'm doing the right thing or not, and I would feel that like, I know this, I've done this for years, why is it not working for me? Is it because I've turned 30? Am I like, has my metabolism slowed down? Has I'm 30 and maybe weight loss becomes, because I've heard these things, right? So obviously I've heard these things and I'm feeling confused, and yeah, so I'm like questioning everything. I'm running also, I'm training also. Still my weight is just like stuck at 60. It was stuck at 60. Like, it was just there, it would not move, nothing would happen to it, I would look the same. So it was very stressful, very disappointing, very heartbreaking, because I'm putting in the work. But then, yeah, like, I think when we started like maintaining those logs and started discussing them weekly and understanding where it's going and like tracking, obviously, so you know, like, how I track, like, my tracking is to the T, like, because obviously, like, it took
Makes
some
sense.
time to understand that, and then now I understand it and I feel comfortable. Like, I like that, and like, I know what is happening. It is in control, and that's how.
So you're saying that when you counted calories versus when you did not count calories, you got better results when you counted calories.
Absolutely.
Okay. ठीक है जी. Okay. मेरी डाइट बन रही है, so 3 meals 1 snack हो गया. Now I have prioritized protein for 3-4 days. Okay. Now next step is I have counted my calories. How? Go to something free like caloriecalculator.com. Put in your vitals, they'll tell you how much you need to eat to maintain weight, to lose weight. Okay, so maintenance calories वहाँ से पता चल जाएंगी. And then download MyFitnessPal, which is again free. Do not have to pay for the paid version. Sorry, MyFitnessPal, but the free version works very well.
Even MyFitnessPal takes out your calories. You
It
don't
does.
need to
Okay,
separately.
you don't have to separately go. So
Yeah.
just go into there and then start by tracking what you're already eating and then trying to go as close to the maintenance as possible. ठीक है जी.
Correct.
ये आपका नेक्स्ट, ये तीसरा फेज है. 1 हफ्ता आपने ये करना है.
और एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर ये है कि माई फिटनेस पैल में जब हम again something I struggled with, maybe people don't, I used to think that I'm an extremely active person, where I'm just moderately active. I'm not an extremely active person. So when you basically define your calories in MyFitnessPal, like when it calculates your calories, if you choose as very active person, is going to obviously give you more calories to eat, and your obviously maintenance will be higher, or your deficit will be much higher than your actual deficit, because very active does not mean that you're regular at the gym. Very active means like you're a sports person who does like 2 training sessions, etc., etc. I know this is too much
So
detail.
if I'm doing 1 workout a day, 5 days a week, what category do I fall into?
Moderately active.
Moderately active. So choose moderately or light.
Yeah,
Don't
light
go
active
for-
is like 2 to 3 times a week.
Okay, and then if you're not doing anything, just sitting in an office, going back home, sedentary. ठीक है, थोड़ा कम ही चूज करोगे, better.
हाँ.
ठीक है जी. अब कैलोरीज मुझे पता चल गई कितनी खानी है. I've started entering it in MyFitnessPal, something that I'm already eating, and I'm slowly trying to go as close to maintenance as possible.
Correct.
ठीक है जी. Step number 4, stay active.
Stay
Okay? Now, I'm not going to say कि जिम में जाओ, वर्कआउट करो. Find something, some kind of movement that you find interesting. That could be a walk, a run, a jog, a swim, fly. Wish we could fly. If you like going to the gym and working out, whatever kind of gym you like to go to, whether it's like a power yoga gym or a CrossFit gym or a weightlifting or a whatever, the idea is to do something that you can see yourself doing for at least the next 6 months. Okay, it's not that कोई नई चीज़ आई कि जी अब
try
4 दिन
करते
जाके
हैं.
मैंने क्रॉसफिट कर लिया, फिर बॉडी इतनी टूट गई कि भाई नहीं, वर्किंग आउट इज़ नॉट. ऐसे डिस्काउंट नहीं करना किसी चीज़ को. एट द सेम टाइम रनिंग शुरू की तो रोज़ 5 किलोमीटर भागने लग पड़े, चौथे दिन बोला नहीं नहीं, ये तो आई एम 30+, यू नो मेरे घुटने रह जाएंगे. डोंट डू दैट. Slowly and steadily, the easiest way to do this is get a fitness tracker. Something as, you know, fitness trackers are literally, they start from like $1,500.
Yeah.
1000-1500 का बेसिक वो स्टेप्स काउंट करेगा, ठीक है. और उसकी एक्यूरेसी की टेंशन मत लेना. स्टार्ट मॉनिटरिंग हाउ मच स्टेप्स यू आर ऑलरेडी डूइंग. कितने कर रहे हो, 3000, 4000, 5000, और उसमें 2000 ऐड कर दो. बस ये करना है, ठीक है. एंड एवरी डे जस्ट डू योर स्टेप्स. If you can go out and be active in terms of like dedicate an hour to doing some kind of workout or some kind of activity, maybe a sport. ठीक है, आजकल वो क्या चल रहा है बड़ा, पिकल बॉल.
Pickle.
वो भी सही चीज़ है.
Paddle also it's called.
Paddle it's called.
Yeah.
Paddle ball.
No,
something.
it's called pickleball, and I don't know if it's called pickleball. It's called paddle. Like
Paddle.
people say they play paddle.
It's very cool in terms of like it's very easy to pick up. It is like tennis, but the racket is different, court is smaller, net is lower, and it's easy to master, and thus it's more fun to play. Again, you are active, you are having fun, something like that. ठीक है जी. अब हमने एक्टिविटी ऐड कर दी है, स्टेप्स ऐड कर दिए. अब स्टेप्स का द बेस्ट पार्ट आई लाइक अबाउट स्टेप्स इज, लेट्स से एक लोग कहते हैं ना कि 10 के स्टेप्स करो. वेल दैट्स नॉट अ मैजिक नंबर. ओके, यू माइट हैव टू डू 8 के, यू माइट हैव टू डू 14 के, डिपेंड्स ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन. वाई? बट आई लाइक स्टेप्स एंड वाई आई प्रिस्क्राइब देम टू माई कोचेज एंड वाई आई मेक श्योर आई डू देम इज बिकॉज लेट्स से आई हैव टू डू 9,000 steps today. I can't do them in one go. Okay, for me, for my height and XYZ, I need 10 minutes to do 1,000 steps. 9,000 स्टेप मतलब 90 मिनट्स. अब 90 मिनट्स 1.5 घंटा में नहीं चल सकता, इतना टाइम नहीं है. बट इफ आई डिवाइड इट इन स्मॉल पॉकेट्स थ्रू आउट द डे, means 2 things will happen. One, I am active throughout the day. If I am having a meal, उसके बाद में 15 मिनट चल रहा हूँ, 1500 स्टेप हो रहे हैं, तो 3 मील्स और 1 स्नैक तो हमने किया ही था, तो 4 बार ही वो हो गया, तो 4500 स्टेप्स तो यही हो गए. आधा घंटा मैं शाम को वॉक करूंगा, 3000 स्टेप. ये कहने का मतलब आई हिट दैट 9000 मार्क बाय कॉन्स्टेंटली बीइंग एक्टिव एज वेल एज द सेम टाइम आई एम बर्निंग कैलोरीज डूइंग माय स्टेप्स.
राइट.
ठीक है. सो सिंपल स्टफ. Eat the amount of calories that you've calculated and start doing your steps. ये हो गया जी. अब
also I would like to add that why be active throughout the days, because like I see a lot of people like having like shoulder issues, back issues, because they're constantly sitting a lot. So with that you know, like that conscious movement, 10 minutes, even if you're sitting in office or you go out for like a tea break or whatever, that will just help you get the blood flowing, and then it'll refresh your mind, and then you can come back to doing your thing. So it'll give you like a fresh start again. So I'm not saying कि 1 घंटा बाहर लगाओ कि मैं सैर कर रहा हूँ, मैं स्टेप्स कर रहा हूँ, but just like 10 minutes out, those small sprints of activity, and then you can sprint back to work is very fun. It gives you a fresh perspective, and it also keeps your body healthy.
So get in your steps. अच्छा जी. अब next है, now how do you monitor weight? Okay, ideally don't take 1 reading per week. Okay, because for example, okay, let's say I have a weighing scale here. I stand up on the weighing scale. उसके ऊपर नंबर आया जी, for example whatever 73. ठीक है. अब मैं फिर से बैठा, I have had 1 liter of water, I go back up on it, obviously I will weigh heavier.
Yeah, that's
Does
right.
that mean I've put on fat by drinking water? No. So कितना कुछ होता है, so many things we eat, we drink, there's more humidity, less humidity, you are more thirsty, less thirsty. Every day in the morning your weight is going to be different. So treat it as a number, weigh yourself every day or at least 3 times a week, and then take a weekly average. ठीक है. अगर वीकली एवरेज आपकी कम हो रही है, ठीक है, मतलब यू आर लूजिंग फैट, लूजिंग वेट. अगर वीकली एवरेज वहीं पे है, मीन्स यू आर मेंटेनिंग वेट. एंड वीकली एवरेज अगर बढ़ रही है, मीन्स यू आर गेनिंग वेट. ठीक है जी. कम से कम गिव इट 2-3 weeks, 3 averages you need to actually understand what's happening with your body. ठीक है. There is no like quick fix की पता चल जाए. Okay. Now what happens when your weight stalls? Let's say I started this 4 or 5 point journey and I started at say 75, I went down to 74, अब मेरा weight रुक गया. You can do one of 3 things. Okay, this is what we also do with our clients. This is what almost all fitness trainers do this, okay, around the world. This is just what works well and is sustainable and it makes sense. You can either decrease 200 calories from the food you're eating,
Right.
okay, or you can add 2000 steps to your already step count,
Right.
or you can add 20 minutes of cardio at least 5 times a week. So that's
Correct.
like around 100 minutes of cardio in a week.
Yeah.
इन तीनों में से लेकिन एक चीज़ ही करनी है. Okay, so let's say I have come down from 75 to 74. Now my weight has stalled. I have cut down 200 calories.
Right.
Weight will start moving down again. Again, it will hit a wall.
What? Sorry, I'm cutting you. What if I want do all three things?
Then you will probably just be a very miserable person because you'll be
'Cause that
spending more time in the gym. You'll be spending more time walking. Plus, you'll be eating lesser. That's a lose-lose situation for you.
Because
One
a
of-
lot of times when you recommend three things, like people think कि जल्दी हो जाएगा तो तीनों कर लेंगे. Psychologically है ना human body की, human mind की कि more is better. तो फिर
It's like antibiotic का कोर्स ना 3 दिन का. कोई होते नहीं कि एक दिन में खा लेते हैं. If like
एक दिन में तो कोई नहीं खाता.
होते हैं बंदे के 3 दिन एक ही गोली खानी है ना, तो एक ही बारी में 3 खा लेते हैं.
हाँ.
I mean, if you think that is how things should be, then I mean.
So you're saying that it will gradually happen and you have to slowly and steadily
Choose one out of
choose
three.
one out of three.
ठीक है. I mean, even if you do choose all 3, you know, message me after 3 months of doing this. We'll see where you are, right? कई लोग होते हैं वो करके ही सीखते हैं. So whatever floats. I recommend. What I do is for myself is I would choose one of 3. Not all 3. Okay. Usually, if I don't want to decrease 200 calories, basically means I don't want to eat less of food. I will just increase activity,
Yeah.
right? And a lot of my clients, they'll be like, okay, हमने कम नहीं खाना.
Yeah,
We'll
same,
do more activity,
same.
and at the same time, there are some clients I can't spend more time in the gym. I can't do more steps. Just decrease my food. So whatever floats your boat. ठीक है जी. So ये हो गया हमारा point number 5. So एक बारी, you know, I hope you're again writing this down, guys. So this is information that people take thousands of rupees to give you. We are giving it to you for free. So I hope you have your
Notebooks ready.
notebooks and pens. So once again, number 1, meal timings. I am the specimen here. Breakfast, lunch, dinner खाना है मुझे और एक snack. Number 2, I want to prioritize protein. I'm going to have 20 grams of protein in each of my major meals, 10 grams in my snack. मेरा protein done. Okay. Number 3, I will calculate my maintenance calories and try to eat as close to possible to my maintenance calories. Number 4, I will stay active, do my steps. Whatever step count I'm doing, I'll add 2000. How do you count your steps? You can either keep your phone in your pocket, or if that is something you do not enjoy, buy a fitness tracker, invest 1500 rupees or 1000 rupees. Amazon बहुत मिल जाते हैं. And finally, use, we call it the CSC method. So either decrease calories or increase 2000 steps or increase 20 minutes of cardio per week.
Every day.
Every day,
Per
5 times.
5 times a week.
a week. We'll also write this down in the description. But yeah, do this, and I guarantee, because it did change my life, and I'm guessing it will change your life too. Just do it for a month, and you will be a different person. Okay, and you'll understand that this is not rocket science. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bonus hack. Something that will keep you accountable, consistent, is take one picture of yourself in front of a mirror every day. First couple of pictures you'll be like, nothing's happening, same hi to hai. But when you look at that first picture and when you look at that 30th picture, you'll be like, oh my god, like, is this the same person? Believe me, that
Changes.
That changes your
perspective.
Perception of how doing small things, small changes in your life can really kind of change the way you look, the way you feel physically and mentally. Okay.
Right.
So make sure if you find value in this video, share this with somebody who is struggling with their weight loss, or if they're starting off with their weight loss journey, because the more people we reach out, the more information we give out like this, the more people we help, the healthier we are mentally and physically.
I have a few questions
Yes,
before
please.
we sign off. One is that intermittent fasting, which is something that people think is like a tool for weight loss. So I would like to clarify on that a little bit, that intermittent fasting is not, because you said meal timings, na, ideally eat 3 meals. So people are like, oh no, we don't eat 3 meals because we do IF. But the idea is that intermittent fasting does not make you lose weight, but calorie deficit makes you lose weight. And if you're doing intermittent fasting and you're eating in a deficit, you will lose weight. Whereas if you're doing intermittent fasting and you are not losing any weight, it is because
Still
you are
eating
eating
the-
in maintenance. Very simple. So it is no magic tool, and that's how IF works. So because I think like a lot of like my clients, like I feel like I have to convince them कि आप खाना बिल्कुल नहीं खा रहे हो और weight loss भी नहीं हो रहा है और IF भी कर रहे हो. So you're basically like hearing things from here and there, and then also complicating fitness. For like, people don't need to complicate fitness. I feel like we're complicating fitness too much. Fitness is very simple. You just need activity, like you said. You just need basic food, घर का खाना, with just the first step, which is prioritizing protein. And I feel like इतना ही कर लो और meal timings कर लो. Like at least for the first 1 month, you will see such a difference.
Half the battle is won.
Half the battle is won. And then you can think about what calories you're eating, how many calories you're eating, how you should cut calories.
Sources, food.
Yeah, what kind of calories should you be eating? Should you be eating processed foods or unprocessed foods? Like, that is just that comes way later. I feel like the first 2 things are very, very basic. Keep it simple. Fitness is not hard.
Yeah, you know, thinking about supplementation and like processed, unprocessed is like you're 14 years old, you're in school, but you're thinking where you're going to make your children study.
Yeah.
Well, first graduate, get to a age where you getting married, get married, then plan a family, then have kids, then make them grow up to an age where they actually have to go to a school.
And
It's
then
like,
go to college.
It's like literally you're 14 years old and you're stressed about कि मेरे जो बच्चे होंगे वो कहाँ पढ़ेंगे. मतलब पहले जो करने वाला है वो करो. Then think about the things that right now don't matter and will matter in the near future.
Yeah.
Yes.
Small steps every day.
Small steps every day. Small goals will lead you to a bigger goal. And something that I read recently, which I'm going to just talk to you before I sign off, is I don't know who said this. I know somebody from Japan who is a businessman and also a mountaineer. Maybe I'll mention them in the description because I don't know what their name is. But so he was a mountaineer.
Okay.
And did extensive mountaineering. And then when he, I think, simultaneously opened his business, he incorporated something that he learned from mountaineering in his business, and it worked very well for him. He said when you're climbing a peak and if you keep looking at the top of the peak, it is always going to seem difficult because it's going to be like, oh, this peak kitne upar hai.
Itna upar hai, haan.
He's like, look down and keep walking, and before you know it, you'll be at the top of the summit.
That's right.
He said, I did the same thing in business. Okay. I didn't say, oh, there's a long way to go until I reach XYZ profit. He said, I just put my head down and started just doing things that mattered. You know, improving my sales team, improving my product. And lo and behold, he's very successful. Same thing with your weight loss journey. If you say, oh, I have to get to a so-and-so fat percentage, I need abs, like this is so far, this is so difficult. It is going to be difficult then. Just put your head down.
And just keep walking.
Exactly.
Like, very similar example I'll give you. Like, I think the summer shred that we did before going to the US, I think when we for the first 4 weeks, there was literally no change in my body weight, if you remember. And I was just like, Sid, I don't know what is happening. Nothing is moving on the scale. But I visually see a difference. But the scale is not moving. Was I disheartened? Yes. Like, I felt like I am doing everything and nothing is working. And again, like, I am 32. Maybe it's not working. But yeah, the moment I transitioned from week 5 to week 6, like, there was a drastic difference on the scale. There was a drastic difference in how I looked visually. And sometimes, like, you know, when I was looking at those pictures, I was just like wow. Like,
Yeah.
I definitely see a difference from the first day I started to like week number 5. So yeah, like, I think you need to put your head down and believe in yourself that you can do it, and just keep walking, because it will eventually lead you to success.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. So best of luck for this. If you have any questions, you can comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer. We'll also write this whole process in the description, like I said. Have a great day. Best of luck. Also, the Peak Life app is under testing. Phase 1 is complete. We're doing great. We're now moving on to nutrition. If you want to pre-book the app, we are going to give you a form in the description. Just click on it, fill it in, and we will give you early access as well as some discounts and some special deals, since you kind of trusted us initially and put in your name there. Okay. So this is me, Sid, signing off.
And Veera saying bye-bye.
Have a great day, guys.